Hello ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. And this is mixed emotion, isn't it? And for the definition of mixed emotion, for me that's watching my mother-in-law drive off a cliff in my brand new Ferrari. That's mixed emotion. But we've had fun, haven't we? We've had so much wonderful fun. But this is the last time this wonderful ship is going to be carrying guests. Last time the ship will echo to the sounds of laughter and smiles from the guests and from the crew. So I hope you'll allow me just a few moments to say a few words. First of all, to all of you who chose to cruise on this very special last cruise of the ship, a massive Leviathan-sized thank you to you for choosing this cruise, this special chance to say goodbye to a ship I know that means so very much to so many of you. I would like to remind you, of course, for those of you who love the small ships, that we have the Carnival Paradise and Carnival Elation and the Spirit class, the Carnival Spirit, the Carnival Miracle, the Carnival Legend and the Carnival Pride. So the small ship fun continues. But this is a sad moment as we say goodbye to this dear lady of the sea, a ship who for the last 35 years have carried 5.5 million people. And you can say the last guest you carried were you. So thank you. Thank you to all of you for choosing to be with us this 5 days. And I must also say a massive thank you to the crew. The crew whose smiles you can see once again that have been hidden through the pandemic behind that mask, the mask that kept themselves safe and kept others safe. But now, if they wish, they can take off that mask and you can see their smiles. And tonight, quite poignantly, you might see the odd tear, because for this ship, the crew, well, they love it. And I know as some of them go on vacation and to some to other ships, that they will miss Carnival Ecstasy so very, very much. And to all the crew who won't be hearing this, the ones who have worked here since 1991, all the way through to today, you are the foundation, the secret sauce that continues, and we are truly grateful to you for all of your hard work. Well, a couple of you have been naughty. I've seen you trying to rip the odd sign off the wall. Please don't do that. Don't do that, please. We ask you not to do that. It's something special that we've given away that has raised $39,000 for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. So I would kindly ask that you respectfully not remove any signage from the ship. Right, so it's time to sound for the very last time the ship's whistle, the horn. And to do this, we have a gentleman who donated $4,000 to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. It's his finger that's going to be on the whistle now, and I'm going to count down from 5 to 0, and then you're going to hear 3 long blasts of the ship's whistle. It's not just a sound, it's a sound that means thank you to all of you, thank you to the captain, the officers, the staff and the crew, and thank you to the Carnival Ecstasy for all the fun that you have given so many people. So turn your cameras towards the famous whale tail, because here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is the sound of fun.